students, how are you? I hope all are you good. Today let me start SST chapter number 22 markets around us. यानी कि हमारे चारों तरफ क्या है? बाजार, मार्केट जो हमें बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरत पड़ती है. Let's begin. Market is a place where buying and selling of goods take place. ठीक है ना, बाजार ऐसी जगह है जहाँ पर हम चीज़ें खरीदते भी हैं और बेचते भी हैं. In a market, if we are buying something, then we are customers or buyers or consumers, and if we are selling something, then we are sellers or service providers. A variety of goods and services are available in a market according to the preference and need to be consumers in and around an area. So we as a customer pay money in exchange of services or products that we buy from a market. As a ग्राहक जो है हम पैसे देते हैं और चीज़ें और सुविधाएं खरीदते हैं. Therefore, market is a place where goods and services are exchanged for a price. तो शहर वो जगह होती है, सबको पता है कि जब हम पैसे देके चीज़ें खरीदते हैं, अपने कंफर्ट कुछ भी ले लीजिए उसमें. During ancient times, the barter system was prevalent. प्राचीन समय में क्या होता था? बार्टर सिस्टम होता था, है ना? So people exchange their goods for other goods that they needed. It was a need-based change program, but the system has changed in modern time. मतलब तुम्हें इस चीज़ की ज़रूरत है, तुम ये ले लो, है ना? हमें ये चीज़ की ज़रूरत है, तुम्हारे पास वो है, हमें दे दो. वो बार्टर सिस्टम होता था. पैसे का लेन देन से खरीदारी कुछ नहीं थी. Importance of markets. Markets are important to the consumers because of various reasons. Market provide goods and services of all types at one place. है ना, एक ही जगह में सारी चीज़ें, सारी सुविधाएं मिल जाती हैं. Markets fulfill the basic needs of people such as food, clothing, etc. Markets provide employment and business opportunities to many people. Markets form a link between consumers and producers of the world. India has been market of spices, cotton, garments, है ना, etc. and has trade relations with various countries. Types of markets. There are different types of markets that cater to our needs. They are as follow. Weekly market, जो हफ्ते में एक बार लगता है. Weekly markets are available on certain days of the week. For example, we have Friday or Sunday market. कहीं पे Thursday market लगता है, कहीं Tuesday market लगता है. ठीक है, the weekly market are not permanent as they are set up on a particular day. ठीक है, वो डेली नहीं लगता, वो हफ्ते में एक दिन आता है. Area and then the sellers go to another area the next day. In this kind of market, temporary stalls of fruits, vegetables, groceries, clothes, toys, plastic products, etc. are set up. No cost of electricity or rent is incurred on the space occupied by the shopkeepers. As a result, the products are cheaper. है ना, इसमें क्या होता है, जो हफ्ते में जो मार्केट लगता है ना, और जो मार्केट होता है मेन, उससे ना कुछ चीप, कुछ सस्ती मिल जाती है चीज़ें यहाँ पे. नेबरहुड मार्केट. नेबरहुड यानी कि जहाँ आप रहते हैं ना, कॉलोनी हो या कोई जगह हो, उसके आसपास जो छोटा मार्केट लगता है. Neighborhood markets, as the name suggests, are the market in residential area, where we can find grocer, medical store, barber or a beauty salon, dairy electronic store, tailor, vegetables and food seller, etc. तो आसपास क्या क्या होता है वहाँ पे? डेयरी होती हैं, फ्रूट सेलर होते हैं, सब्जी की दुकानें होती हैं और नाई की दुकानें होती हैं. जो हम कॉलोनी में रहते हैं उसके आसपास जो ये चीज़ें होती हैं. ठीक है. Most of the times, the fruits and vegetables vendors set up a stall on temporary basis or on a cart, but permanent shop owner pay rent if they do not own the shop. कुछ की खुद की दुकानें होती है, लेकिन जिनकी खुद की दुकानें नहीं होती वो रेंट पे करते हैं, किराया देते हैं. Along with electricity charges, the biggest advantage of neighborhood market is that they can be visited any day and are located too close to our residences. People often buy fruits and vegetables from weekly market, and certain requirements are purchased from neighborhood markets. The quality and variety of goods available in neighborhood markets is often better than that of weekly markets. Shopping complex and malls. In towns and cities nowadays, we have shopping complexes where we find branded, as well as non-branded items. Shopping complexes that are air conditioned and built over a large area are called shopping malls. शॉपिंग मॉल्स आर वेरी पॉपुलर इन अर्बन एरियाज. जो शहरी क्षेत्र है ना, अर्बन एरिया में सबसे ज़्यादा पॉपुलर है ये, बिकॉज ऑफ ब्रांडेड आइटम्स सच एज फूड प्रोडक्ट्स, ज्वेलरी, क्लोथ्स, टॉय, एटसेट्रा. सो द शॉपिंग मॉल्स आर एक्सपेंसिव एज द शॉप ओनर्स हैव टू पे यूज रेंट्स, इलेक्ट्रिसिटी चार्जेस, एटसेट्रा. अनलाइक weekly and neighborhood markets, people visit shopping mall occasionally, and for many, shopping at the malls is unaffordable. Producer to consumer. The product that we buy from market are produced in factories and farms or in homes. We do not buy goods directly from the producers. Rather, there are many people in between the producers and the consumers, like wholesale traders, retailers, and many more. Let's learn about them one by one. तो wholesaler क्या होते हैं? इन पे थोक में होता है बहुत सामान. A wholesaler buys good in bulk from manufacturers or their agents. They have the suitable storage units for storing different kinds of products. They sell the products in bulk to different retailers who sell these products in small numbers quantity to the consumers. Retailer. The retailer is the last link in the distribution chain because a retailer buys goods from the wholesaler and sells them directly to the consumers. Functions of retailers. The retailers act as a link between the wholesaler and the consumer. The sub-wholesalers and manufacturers by distributing their products and making them available to consumer. Retailers even help in promoting the sale of product by displaying advertisement or offering gifts for coupons in a manner that will attract the consumer. Retailers remain in direct and constant touch with consumers, so they are able to persuade them to buy certain product. For example, they may suggest that a particular brand of jam is better than the other. Types of retailers. अब retailers कितने types के होते हैं? There are various types of retailers in India. They are classified on the basis of the size of business, types of ownership, or type of commodities sold. A common basis of classification is whether they have a fixed place of business or not. On the basis of this, the two categories of retailers are itinerant retailers and fixed shop retailers. अब itinerant retailers क्या होते हैं? Retail traders who do not have a fixed price from where they operate are called itinerant retailers. They usually move from place to place in search of customers and deal in low price and non-standardized items. There are various types of itinerant retailers such as market traders are small retailers who sell their goods fixed days or dates in different places. कई बार आते हैं ना, गलियों में भी आते हैं, हफ्ते में एक बार या 15 दिन में एक बार. So peddlers and hawkers who move from place to place carrying their goods on a bicycle or cart on their heads, they usually sell items like vegetables, fruits, ice creams, and toys. Street traders are retailers who are commonly found at busy public places such as railway stations, bus stop, and temples. They sell eatable or consumer items such as newspaper, magazines, combs, and handkerchief. Fixed shop retailers. Retailers who have permanent or fixed place from where they sell their goods or provide services to consumers are called fixed shop retailers. ठीक है ना? उनकी एक जगह दुकान फिक्स होती है. The deal in different products ranging from electronic goods to eatables. They have more credibility as they provide services such as repairs, credit, and home delivery. Sometimes they also guarantee the quality of products they sell. Market and equality. Market is a place where business takes place between a buyer and a seller. A wholesaler is a big businessman who sells goods in bulk to the retailer. He or she has the capacity to give goods on credit, but inequality is rampant. Even in markets, a wholesaler buys a product in bulk and cheaper rates from a producer, but she sells them at higher price. वो सस्ता खरीद रहा है, बल्क में ले रहा है चीजें, तो उसको सस्ती मिल रही है, फिर वो शॉप पे जाके क्या करता है, उनको हाई रेट पे बेचता है. The retailer in turn makes some more profits from the same products in this entire chain. It is the producer who has to settle for less revenue. Markets are one of the prominent indicators of the economic growth of a country. They generate income or revenues and provides employment to many people, but steps should be taken to distribute the profits evenly and fairly, and equal opportunity should be given to all. So all topics are covered in this chapter. Okay, so you all are I hope you all are very well understand this chapter. Thank you, and we will meet you the next class.